Nation about the condition of Mr. Attorney, former President Duterte.
What did you think about how he described the former president's statements nung nagtatanong po siya, nung nagbigay siya ng report tungkol sa hearing?
Actually, he was not very specific about it because he does not want to reveal the actual condition of the president, of the former president.
Sir, do you agree with the decision of the Defense Council not to appeal the place of detention of the former president?
No, because there is only the pending appeal. So there's no sense on his part to argue against the position presented by the prosecution, especially that there was a pending petition of the children to the Supreme Court for the early resolution of the habeas corpus cases. In that way, if the habeas corpus case will be resolved in their favor, the court will issue. It has something to do with the present situation here. It can affect the present situation of the former president, because practically that is an order for the authority to release, to return the president to his home country.
So are you satisfied with how Attorney Kaufman presented
Yes,
all this?
yes, he was very good. He was very articulate. He was able to bring out all the arguments against the submission of the prosecution.
Did you think it was an emotional appeal?
A sort of. He cannot do anything. He cannot do anything else because probably from his own observation of the former president, there is real reason for the grant of the interim release of the former president.
Was it a strong closure, a strong ending?
Yes, I think so. But it depends upon the judges of the ICC, because the problem is that we have different culture. They are not aware of the sentiment of the people in the Philippines. Unlike here, they are non-emotional about the situation.
Pero yung sinabi po ni Attorney Nichols na parang gusto niyang ipa-strike out, yung sinabi ni Attorney Kaufman doon sa ending, yung mga exchange nila ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Yeah, because it's according to the prosecution, there is a prohibition under the rules of the Rome Statute.
Thank you, Attorney.